everyone. My name is Dr. Sakinah O'Kane, and I am the founder of Soulfully You Cosmetics and more. And I'm excited to be here with you today to discuss the importance of soul care services and how they can help you to restore and balance your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. At its core, soul care is the practice of taking care of the essential and innermost aspects of ourselves and our souls. As we tend to the soul, we understand our true identity, we nurture our relationships, and discover our purpose in life. Ultimately, soul care services help us to live from a place of balance, self awareness, and purposeful actions. At Soulfully You, we specialize in restorative interventions that draw from biblical principles. This means that not only do we focus on your mind and your body and your soul, but also emphasize prayer and scripture for guidance. Our approach is centered around restoring the mind, the body, and soul through nourishing and bridging each aspect together. We believe that nourishing our minds and our bodies and soul is essential to cultivating soul care practices that are sustainable. We'll work with you to develop a plan tailored specifically to your individual needs. To give an example, let's say you're feeling weighed down by lifestyles or and stress. Our soul care services might involve mindfulness practices like meditation, journaling, and connecting with nature to bring the mind and the body and soul back into balance. With a heavy regulation of diet, lifestyle, and habits, we would invest in intentional rest and stress management practices. Ultimately, through engaging in soul care services with restorative interventions and biblical principles, we can address existing issues from the root cause and we can prevent them from returning and help you to maintain a positive state of well-being. I want to thank you for joining us today to discuss the importance of soul care services, and with our guidance and support together, we can nurture your faith journey. Please reach out for more information about how Dr. Sakinah and Soulfully You can help you. Have a great day.